Here's some unity and diversity trivia. Subscribe. Which Indian state is known for its diverse languages? Is it A. Maharashtra, B. Kerala, C. Punjab, or D. Nagaland? The correct answer is D. Nagaland. Which country is known for its ethnic diversity in over 700 languages? Is it A. Philippines, B. Mexico, C. Brazil, or D. Papua New Guinea? The correct answer is D. Papua New Guinea. Name the international festival that celebrates cultural diversity. Is it A. Global Dance Summit, B. Cultural Heritage Fair, C. World Culture Festival, or D. International Arts Expo? The correct answer is C. World Culture Festival. What is the name of Spain's diverse cultural region known for its distinct identity? Is it A. Aragon, B. Valencia, C. Murcia, or D. Catalonia? The correct answer is D. Catalonia. Which country is home to the indigenous Maasai culture? Is it A. Ethiopia, B. Uganda, C. Kenya, or D. Rwanda? The correct answer is C. Kenya. Which language is a prominent example of linguistic diversity in Nigeria? Is it A. Arabic, B. English, C. Hausa, or D. French? The correct answer is C. Hausa. Which continent has the most languages spoken? Is it A. Africa, B. Antarctica, C. North America, or D. Australia? The correct answer is A. Africa. Which country celebrates its diversity with a national holiday called Holi? Is it A. Sri Lanka, B. India, C. Pakistan, or D. Indonesia? The correct answer is B. India. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.